Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning how to turn off notifications for the MEXC mobile application. To turn off notifications for the MEXC mobile app, first of all, open up the MEXC application on your mobile device and then log into your account. Once you're inside the home page, go ahead and tap on the little speech bubble or the message icon at the top right corner right next to the headphone icon and tap on it. This will open up a notifications tab where you'll need to tap on the gear icon at the top right. Now, click on push notification under notification settings and it will directly take you to your device's app settings page where you'll need to tap on notifications. Toggle off the button right next to allow notification and there you will be able to turn off notification setting or disable notification entirely for the MEXC app. This will help you manage your notification preferences on the MEXC app effectively. If you ever want to turn on your settings, you can get to this page and then toggle on the button right next to allow notification. So that is how you can easily turn off notification settings on MEXC app. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.